Students, today we are going to study essay writing. First we'll discuss what is an essay writing, then the format of an essay writing, or in the end types of essay writing. So we will start from what is an essay writing. An essay is a set of connected and sequential ideas written in such a way that they make a comprehensive whole. An essay is usually an expression of one's personal opinion linked logically on a given topic. So we can say that essay is a set of connected and sequential ideas written in such a way, and an essay is generally a piece of writing that gives the author's own opinion and point of view or argument regarding a particular topic. Now the format of an essay writing, generally an essay may be divided into three main parts, namely first is the introduction part, or we can also say introductory part. The second is the body or the content part, and the third is conclusion. So first we will discuss the introduction. The introduction should be brief and should generate the interest of the reader. The opening paragraph should introduce the topic by way of a definition or an anecdote or a proverb or a quotation with corresponding explanation. So this is about introduction. Now the body or content part. The body may be further divided into several short paragraphs depending on the number of ideas you wish to convey. The factual information, illustration, reflections, the writer's opinion or point of view, etc. features here. So it is divided into 4 to 5 paragraph, 2 to 3 paragraph. It is depending on the author's ideas or view, what he or she want to express in the essay. Now the conclusion. The conclusion should be short and nature, a good and effective way of concluding an essay to sum up the argument, points of view or observation expressed in the main body of the essay. So this is about conclusion. It should be very short and easy. Now the types of essay writing. First is narrative essay, second is descriptive essay, third is reflective essay, the fourth is imaginative essay, and the five is argumentative essay. First is narrative essay. What is narrative essay? In the narrative essay, the narration of an event or series of event. Now descriptive essay. In the descriptive essay, the description of a person or a character or a place or thing. And third is reflective essay. Reflective essay. In the reflective essay, reflection or thoughts on a particular topic generating of an abstract nature. And imaginative essay. In the imaginative essay, expression of one's imagination on a given topic. And the fifth is argumentative essay. In argumentative essay, exposing the positive as well as the negative aspect of a given topic and drawing a suitable conclusion therefore. So all these are the types of